If your GCash app is showing the error, "Oops, this feature does not support Android version 4.4 and lower," don't worry, I'm going to walk you through a few quick and simple steps to fix it. Just follow each step carefully. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. Tap the search bar at the top and type GCash. When the GCash app appears, check if there's an Update button. If an update is available, go ahead and tap Update. Wait until it finishes installing. Updating the app ensures you're using the latest version that supports your device. Next, let's make sure your phone is running a supported Android version. Go back to your home screen and open Settings. Scroll through the menu and look for Software Update or System Update. If you can't find it, use the search bar at the top of the Settings page and type Update. Now tap System Update. If there's a software update available, download and install it. Older Android versions, especially Android 4.4 and below, are no longer supported by GCash, which is why this error appears. Updating your phone might completely fix the issue. Once both updates are done, return to your home screen and open the GCash app again. For many users, the app works normally after these updates. If you followed all the steps and the error still shows up, here's the final thing you need to know. If your phone cannot update beyond Android version 4.4, then GCash will not work on that device anymore. In that case, simply use GCash on another phone. You can borrow a device, log in using your OTP, and access your account normally. And that's it. After completing these steps, the GCash Android 4.4 error should be fully resolved. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.